headphones on for this one.
This is very deep.
Ooh, I like it. This is a J200, unlike any other J200. We actually have two of these. This one is different because there was a guitar called the Firebird. Okay, it was a dreadnought shape, has this fire inlay in it. Mm-hmm. And it was something they did a long time ago after the Yellowstone fires out here.
Really?
That's where that came about. But this one happens to be on a J200. There's two of these. We have them both. And but first of all, just J200 in general. I mean, I love it. I've said it before. I love the J200. There's not another guitar like it. And I mean, you just strum it, and it's a unique guitar. It's
I'm on the record here as saying I'm kind of a Martin guy, but this is one of those. It's so big. Yeah. It's like an orchestra with just 6 strings, and you can get so much sound out of this thing. And if you're, primarily strummer, and if you like the kind of alt country or traditional honky-tonk type singing style, this would be a perfect guitar for somebody who's that type of front person.
That's why I say everyone should own a J200, including you. We can arrange that.
Okay.
But love this guitar. Beautiful finish on it. Beautiful woods. It is just a classic guitar, and this one's unique because it's got a different inlay on it. It's just it matches the wildfire burst finish, and it's just a cool guitar.
Yeah, it's way cool. I mean, it plays, as about as good as any Gibson I've ever played. Kind of right in the, it's top of that bell curve. But what you will immediately notice, and again, recommended to use some good headphones to hear this because the bass is so overpowering. Big.
It's not, it's not going to be for everybody. Some people would maybe never need to use this. Like I said, it's just, but I believe everyone should at least try one.
Yeah, if you're going to play, if you sing Johnny Cash or Buddy Holly or Elvis or any of those kind of classical
Gene Autry,
original Hank Williams kind of stuff, this would be the perfect type of. Or even if you're. I think it works well for finger picking too, because it's got that low end that you can really dig in. And you can draw upon those lower notes, to really broaden out the tonal variety of finger style. That's cool. It's hard to explain, but it's like being your own bass player and. With your finger style, you can put stuff on top and then layer it with vocals. But this,
I like it.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
I like it a lot. Mm-hmm. And let's just get right on to the end of the video. We'll do some demos of it. Excellent. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.